Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix if your keyboard is not working on your Windows OS. So okay, without further ado, let's get right onto it. So if you are having this problem and you can't use your keyboard, so there is a on-screen keyboard built in by Windows, thankfully. So enable to access that, so go over to the start icon right here, click on that and navigate over to the settings here, the gear icon. And once you are here, you just have to find ease of access. Once you are on ease of access here, uh, go on over to keyboard. And once you are on here, you will see the use on-screen keyboard text. So just tap on that, click on that, and there. As you can see, we can use this keyboard freely like a physical keyboard. So okay guys, this is the way on how you can do it. So as you can see, it is working. And there guys, so it also has corrections here. So it is very useful. Okay guys, so that is all for today. That is how you can get the on-screen keyboard. Thank you for watching and goodbye.